So about 8 or 9 years ago, we started working with ESTECO in a special research center where some products were developed. The modeFRONTIER and VOLTA were used heavily to develop one product line of tools, which are now being commercialized, manufactured. Sustaining is being done on that product line. And what's interesting is to now scale up and see how it can impact the different product line. All the time it's been very interesting to see the day-to-day engagement from ESTECO with our team of engineers, the follow-up on trainings as well as doing proof of concept and following the mathematical and development of some of those solutions. The partnership of a fairly stable team in the first research center where we deployed modeFRONTIER and VOLTA was key, as well as the stability of the team in ESTECO to sort of build that relationship. The value has been seen on that one product line. We're looking for deploying additional value on other product lines.